Hi there, I'm Cher Johnston, and I have a book I want to share with you today. It's called Embroidery for All Seasons, Diana Lampe's Diana Lampe with Jane Fisk. This is a book that came recommended in one of Elizabeth Sforza's books, and I really like it. There are several chapters about different gardens here. And then there's color guides for each one. So just here's the cottage garden. And if you know me, you know that I like when an artist lists out all the DMC floss. I like it when they list out DMC floss and the colors that they use. And here are the flowers that they used in this cottage garden. So then there's each for all the different gardens she has in here. And then here, I love this page. I want to do this. Look at that beautifulness. So here is the cottage garden. There's a picture of it, and here's a map that tells you which of the flowers you do. Here is the spring garden. Here is the summer garden. Something rose garden. This is a winter garden. And then here's that page again. I just love it. So then there's a glossary with all, I'm not going to go through this whole thing, all the flowers. She tells you which, sorry, it goes here. She tells you which stitches to use, what colors to use, like how many strands of floss, which needle to use, like everything. And then this is what I really wanted to share with you. This is a flower sampler. Now, I talked one time when I did my Stitch dictionary, I talked about adding flowers at the back, like a flower sampler at the back. I might just use this as sort of a template. And there's a couple of embroidery hoop designs here. There are some embroidered gift ideas here. Initials. There's a whole section with initials in there. And then more flowers. More flowers. And then she gets into, there's a tree. There's another tree. There is an archway here and another pergola, a sundial, a pot, a tub, butterflies, bees, you get the idea. Then at the end, there's a stitch glossary, which this comes in every embroidery book. Directions on how you do each of the stitches in the book. And then there's even a left-handed stitch glossary, which I think is pretty cool. Then at the very back of the book, there's an entire list of DMC threads, and I don't know, I think this might be the entire list. I don't think it's just the ones that she uses here. Might be the ones she uses here. Anyways. And so it's almost 200 pages, 192 pages. And yeah, I think I'm going to be doing some things from this book in the future. So thanks for hanging out with me. Bye.